हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज वेद मित्र आर्य। क्वेश्चन है आपका राइट बायोग्राफी ऑन दीपा कर्माकर। तो क्वेश्चन तो चाहे अपनी बुक से आप लिख सकते हैं, अपनी नोटबुक में ब्लैक पेन से, और क्वेश्चन के बाद में फिर दीपा कर्माकर नाम एक हेडिंग के तौर पर डाल लीजिएगा और फिर आप अपना आंसर लिखना शुरू करिए। तो आंसर है आपका दीपा कर्माकर इज ट्रेल ब्लेजिंग इंडियन आर्टिस्टिक जिम्नास्ट हु मेड हिस्ट्री by becoming the first Indian female gymnast to compete in the Olympics. Born on August 9, 1993 in Agartala, त्रिपुरा। त्रिपुरा ये हमारे स्टेट का है, इंडिया का स्टेट है। She began practicing gymnastics at the young age of 6. Her father Dulal Karmakar was a weightlifting coach, and her early training was guided by coach Visweswar Nandi, who played a vital role in shaping her career. Despite being born with flat feet, a condition considered unsuitable for gymnastics, Deepa overcame the odds through immense dedication and physical training. अब यहाँ पर आपका पैराग्राफ चेंज हुआ है, तो आप नई लाइन से यहाँ पर लिखिएगा, ठीक है। जहाँ पर भी आप लिख रहे हैं वो लाइन छोड़ के नई लाइन से लिखना शुरू करिएगा। She gained national recognition when she won a bronze medal in the vault event at the 2014 Commonwealth Games in Glasgow, becoming the first Indian women gymnast to win a medal at the CWG Commonwealth Games, that is. Her success continued when she qualified for the 2016 Rio Olympics after finishing 5th in the 2015 World Artistic Gymnastics Championships. At the Rio Olympics, she narrowly missed a medal, finishing 4th in the vault final, just 0.15 points behind the bronze medalist. Her performance brought unprecedented attention to Indian gymnastics. अब फिर से आप पैराग्राफ चेंज करिएगा, नई लाइन से लिखना शुरू करिएगा। In 2018, she became the first Indian gymnast to win gold medal at a global event by winning the vault at the FIG World Challenge Cup in Turkey, that is. तुर्की से हिंदी में कहा जाता है। One of the Deepa's most celebrated achievements is her successful execution of a pro Donoba vault, considered one of the most dangerous vaults in the sport. Only a handful of gymnasts in the world have ever landed it successfully. अब यहाँ से फिर पैराग्राफ चेंज करिए। Deepa's remarkable journey earned her several prestigious awards, including the Arjun Award 2015 में मिला इनको अवार्ड, अर्जुन अवार्ड, the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2016, and the Padma Shri in 2017. However, her career faced a setback in 2023 when she received a 21-month ban after testing positive for a banned substance. The ban ended in July 2023 and she returned to training, but in 2024 she officially announced her retirement from competitive gymnastics. फिर से पैराग्राफ नया है तो नई लाइन से लिखिएगा। दीपा कर्माकर स्टोरी इज वन ऑफ द डिटर्मिनेशन, courage and excellence. She not only broke barriers in Indian sports but also inspired a new generation of gymnasts. Her legacy will continue to motivate young athletes across the country for years to come. ये आपका आंसर पूरा हो गया। अब आपका जो दूसरा क्वेश्चन है, पीवी सिंधु के ऊपर बायोग्राफी लिखनी है, तो राइट बायोग्राफी ऑन पीवी सिंधु। तो इसको भी आप थोड़ा सा पॉज ले लीजिए, थोड़ा सा रुक जाइए, थोड़ा सा रेस्ट कर लीजिए, उसके बाद में इस क्वेश्चन को अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हैं। तो इनका पूरा नाम है पुसारला वेंकट सिंधु, कॉमनली नोन एज पीबी सिंधु, मतलब पी फॉर पुसारला, बी फॉर वेंकट सिंधु। तो is one of India's most accomplished badminton players, celebrated for her trailblazing achievements on the international stage. फिर से अब पैराग्राफ बदलिएगा, लिखा है born on July 5, 1995 in Hyderabad, India, Sindhu hails from a family with a strong sporting background. Her parents P.B. Raman and P. Vijaya were both national level volleyball players, with her father receiving the Arjun Award in 2000 for his contribution to the sport. Despite her family's volleyball legacy, Sindhu was inspired by badminton legend Pulela Gopichand and began playing badminton at the age of 8. She honed her skills at the Gopichand Badminton Academy, where her talent quickly became evident. फिर से पैसेज पैराग्राफ चेंज करके नई लाइन से लिखिएगा सिंधुज इंटरनेशनल कैरियर टुक ऑफ when she became the first Indian women's singles player to win a medal at the Badminton World Championships, securing a bronze in 2013. She repeated this feat in 2014, further stabilizing herself as a formidable competitor on the world stage. फिर से अब नई लाइन से लिखना शुरू करिए. Her most notable achievements include winning a silver medal at the 2016 Rio Olympics, making her the first Indian woman to achieve this in the badminton. She followed this with a bronze medal at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, becoming the first Indian woman to win the 2 Olympic medals. In 2019, Sindhu clinched the gold medal at the BWF World Championships, a historic first for an Indian shuttler. फिर से पैराग्राफ नया है तो लाइन चेंज करिए. Throughout her career, Sindhu was amassed numerous titles, including victories at the 2018 World Tour Finals, the 2022 Singapore Open, and the 2022 Commonwealth Games, where she won gold in women's singles and silver in the mixed team event. Her contributions to Indian sports have been recognized with several prestigious awards such as the Arjun Award 2013, Padma Shri 2015, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna 2016, and the Padma Bhushan in 2020. तो अब वहाँ पर लास्ट आपका आ गया. बियॉन्ड हर एथलेटिक prowess, Sindhu is known for her discipline and dedication. She holds on MBA and has been an inspiration to many aspiring athletes in India. In December 2024, she married Venkat Dutt Sain, an executive director at Poseidex Technologies, in a ceremony held in Udaipur, Rajasthan. PV Sindhu's journey from a young badminton enthusiast to an Olympic medalist exemplifies perseverance and excellence, making her a role model for generations to come. ये आपका आंसर था सेकेंड पैराग्राफ का, जो पीवी सिंधु के ऊपर बायोग्राफी का था. आई होप वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा. अपने दोस्तों को भी शेयर कर दीजिए, सो दैट दे कैन ऑल्सो कंप्लीट देयर होमवर्क. थैंक यू सो मच.